Hello everyone, welcome to Fun Preschool Learning. Please subscribe my channel for updates. In this video, we are going to discuss about the UKG syllabus. This particular UKG syllabus is for the year 2021 to 2022. This syllabus covers CBSE, ICSE, SSC, Cambridge, all the boards. Since the kids are not going to school, we parents are very much confused about what to teach them and how to make them learn. So I have made this video. In this we can discuss about the syllabus. The syllabus is followed by all the boards as mentioned above. Basically the UKG has 4 subjects: English, Maths, General Awareness and EVS. First we will discuss about what to learn in which subject. The first subject is English. The English actually starts with the revision of alphabets. The kids need to identify the alphabets. Once they are thorough with the alphabets, you can go to the sound of letters. That is the phonic sound, which is like that: A sounds A, B sounds B, similar to that. The kids should be very much thorough with the sounds of the letters. It will almost take 1 or 2 months for the kids to remember the sounds of every letters. Next one is the object related to the letters. For example, you can show any objects and you can ask the kids what is the starting letter of that object. If you show a plate, what is the starting letter of the plate? It is P. The next one is the vowels and consonants. The basic there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and the rest are consonants. The kids should be able to know that. When teaching this, we can also teach them articles, that is a and where to use them. You can say that when there is a vowel you should use and the rest there we should be using a, like that you can teach them. The next one is that this, that and these, those. These words we can make the kids where to use them. We can make them learn. For example, when the object is near, the kids should be using this. When the object is far, they should be using that. You can show them with a simple example: this pen, that tree, like that. They should also be knowing the position, like where it is first, second, third, like that. Then rhyming words. Basically since kids know the CVC words, they can know the rhyming words. For example, cat, mat, house, mouse, like that. Next, the kids should be able to read the words and frame the sentences. Basically we can introduce some small sentences, like they are thorough with CVC words, so they can use: a fat cat sat on the mat. So the kids will be very much familiar to the words fat, cat, sat, mat, on, everything they know. So it will be very easy for them to read that and frame into a sentences. They should also try to make a sentences with that. They should also have a conversation by using a simple words. Everything covers with that. Examples are, you can make such examples and make them to learn. The next one is the maths. First comes the pre-math concepts, which includes same, different, like that, in, out, thick, thin, left, right, top, bottom. You can show the examples for them. You can show some objects which are big and small. You can place some objects in left and right. You can ask them which is left, which is right, similar to that, top and bottom. You can make the differences by simple objects. You can use simple objects and show them the difference. Then the numbers. This time the number is from 1 to 200. Previously they have learned from 1 to 100, so this time it is 1 to 200. The kids should be able to write up to 1 to 200. They have to count and write, match before number and after between numbers are from 1 to 100. Then forward and backward counting is from 1 to 50. Last time it was from 1 to 20. Now in UKG it is from 1 to 50. Then number names is up to 1 to 50. Skip counting, last time they have done for 10. In UKG they are doing for skip counting 2 and 5. When you are teaching skip counting 2 and 5, basically start with fewer numbers. Like when it is for 2, just say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then slightly you can increase. Then comes the addition. The concept of addition should be first introduced, like what is addition. Then you should introduce the plus symbol. Then you can go to pictorial addition. You can show some pictures and you can make them count. Then you can show some objects, and you can go for single digit addition. The same way is done for subtraction also. Introduce the minus symbol and then go with pictorial subtraction, then go for single digit subtraction. So the next one is the kid should be able to tell the time, what for example what time it is, at least the hours. For it is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, like that. Then the kid should be able to know the money. You can show the different rupee notes and ask them what is the value of that particular note. You can ask them. Then it is the addition and subtraction using objects. You have two types, with objects and without objects. When it comes with objects, the kids can count the objects and write. When it comes without objects, you can make them use of fingers. It will be very easy for them to know that concept. It also includes a greater than, less than, equal to signs, where they should use which. Then it is the shapes. The kids should be able to know that 2D and 3D shapes. You can demonstrate some with live examples. For example, birthday hat for cone shape, or ice cone for that cone shape, a ball for sphere. Like that you can show some real examples which will be very easy for them to grasp the concept. So the next one is colors. They do lot of coloring, so they know most of the colors, but you can also introduce them with light and dark colors. Show them the difference between the light and dark colors, so they will be very easy for them to understand. So these are you can start with basic colors. The next topic is general awareness. In this first topic is about myself. Myself includes first the parts of the body. They should be knowing that whether they are a boy or girl, like that. Then the parts of the body includes all external body parts, and you can also tell them some internal body parts like heart, brain, lungs, kidney. These are the basic internal body parts they should be knowing, but don't go so deep, it might scare them actually. Just explain them in a simple way, like make them feel the heartbeat and say there is a heart inside. How we when we eat food, how it digests, like that you can, but don't go deeper. Make simple things. Sense organs, they should also be knowing the sense organs and how they are very important for our life. Next one is my home and my family. They should be knowing where our home is, what are the rooms inside the home, and in my family what are the relations, who is mama, who is papa, grandma, grandpa, uncle, auntie, what does they mean. They should be knowing that. Then comes to my school. The kids should learn about their school name and where it is located. These are the things that comes in my school. The next one is seasons. Basically India has four types of season, but they have mentioned only 3, but you can also say that summer, winter, rainy and spring. But we usually follow these 3 seasons, so they can ask them how do they feel. Since now it is summer, they may feel the heat, so we can say that this is the summer season. When it rains, it is a rainy season. Like that you can show them. The next topic is transport. the kids should learn about the different modes of transport, that is land, water and air. You can show them some live examples. While we travel in the road, while we travel in the car, how do we go by road, so it is a kind of road transport. When we go by train, it is a rail track. When we go by a flight, it is a air transport. Like that, in similar way you can make them understand the concept. The next one is animals. The kids should be very much thorough about the animal kingdom, that is the wild animals, domestic animals, pet animals and farm animals, water animals. What are they, what are the which animal belongs to where, they should be able to know that. They should also knowing that animals and their sounds, their homes and their young ones. Just a basic thing, like cow moves, cow lives in a shed. What is the young one of cow called? It is calf. Like that, some for basic few animals you can introduce them. The next one is environmental science. In this, the kids should be able to talk about the different modes of transport. You can show them different vehicles such as car, plane, ship, boat, etc. and ask them how it goes and which mode of transport does it uses. Then the next one is post office and police station visit, which is now it is not safe. So you can show them some videos about them. Which they can get an idea what a police station is, what a post office is. Then next one is you can introduce some basic traffic rules and safety, such as we have to wait when the signal is red, when the signal is green we should go, like that. Then you can also make them do a project on living thing and non-living thing. You can make them collect them different images, which images chart are now available in shop. You can buy them and make them differentiate between them. Then you can introduce about water, air and sound pollution, but don't go so deeper. So this is I have discussed about the UKG syllabus. It is always not mandatory to make them complete. You can download these pages in my social media account, Instagram and Facebook. For any queries you can mail to my email ID. Subscribe the button for more videos and updates. Thank you for watching.